All right, I'm Chris from Draganfly. We're here today at ElevateUAV in beautiful Miami, Florida, and we're just showing off some of our latest offerings here from Draganfly. So a few of the platforms we have are the Commander 3 XL. On board the Commander 3 XL, we have our 4-payload dropper system. It's got 4 separate plates here on the bottom. You can go ahead and drop different payloads. We've also got our Gremsy Bio here. So perfect for any type of application you could possibly need where you need to get supplies to and from a particular place and you need maximum visibility with that Gremsy payload. We were also showing off our UXV ground station. So UXV, fantastic platform. This integrates using a Doodle Labs comm. We're able to broadcast and transmit signals to and from the drone from anywhere between 60 and 80 kilometers or roughly 30 to 40 miles, I believe is the conversion there. Don't quote me. Next up here, we have one of our newer drones. This is the Commander Apex. So this is a brand new drone, about 2.5 months old. It's perfect for ISR. It's quickly deployed. And what's great about it is if you love our Commander system, you're gonna love this because it's essentially operating off of the same system, the same hardware, all of the same frequencies. It's just in a smaller, more deployable format. So super excited to be unveiling this here in the United States for one of the very first times and talk with the folks here in ElevateUAV about it. Our last piece of equipment here is our Flex FPV system. So this is a really cool design because we've got the ability to swap between different size drones. So right now we have our 7-inch configuration, which we're demoing here at ElevateUAV, but let's say we want something that can carry a little bit of a heavier payload. It's just as simple as undoing one of these screws on the bottom plate. And once we've got this sort of where we want it, we can pull it out of there. Use our patented grip design, pull the arm out. Let's say we want to run a 13-inch configuration. It's just as simple as sliding this down into the body of the drone. We would put that screw back in, and now we've got a 13-inch configuration as opposed to a 7-inch configuration. So really flexible design, capable of many, many different payload capacities. Our 4-inch is capable of around 300 grams. Our 7-inch is around 2 kilos. Our 10-inch is around 3 kilos, and our 13-inch is around 4 to 5 kilos. So extremely adaptable, extremely useful for just about any integration you could possibly want. If you want more information, feel free to go to our website, draganfly.com.